Krishna viewers, welcome to your channel Nifty Astrology. I hope today also you were able to trade safely and had a profitable day. As you all know, on this channel we shared a time frame with you that is based on astrology, Sarvatobhadra Chakra and ephemeris. And if you are seeing this channel and if you are following this time frame, I request you all, this channel is purely for education purpose. We are just sharing our views on the market. If you are investing in the market, please consult your financial advisor before investing in the market. So let's start. In this video I'll be discussing about the Nifty and Bank Nifty today, how it was, then sector wise and Asian and like global market status, FI DI data, and then astro time frame and range in which the market may be revolving tomorrow, and few points which what I feel I need to discuss with you. So let's start our video. Okay, first of all we'll talk about the Nifty today opened at 15,042 with 12 points positive. Overall, this Nifty in its first 15 minutes itself, it came down by 100 points, and then again it covered it 100 points. But if you'll see in our yesterday's astro time frame also, we have said that the morning time frame is negative time frame. So you'll see how it though it opened with 12 points plus, it came down by 100 points and then it covered. So if you have any position, you might have booked profit. Okay, so after covering that, the market was for next 4 hours, if you'll see, it was revolving in a particular range only, that was of 60 points. It was revolving in that, and after 2 p.m. only you would have seen a sharp selling pressure was seen in the market, and then it broke its 14,900 level, and again with respecting this level it came back and it gave a closing of 14,906. You can say in percentage and points wise minus 124 points, and in percentage wise 0.83%, minus 0.83% closing Nifty gave. Now we'll talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened with 7 points positive. Overall, it tried to, it was not able to move ahead from 33,800 point level. It was also ranging, it was also trading between the range of 240 points only, and later on after 1 p.m. if you'll see, it broke its support, which was, it was revolving previously around its level 33,600. It broke that level around 1 p.m. and then it came back, came down, and it came to 33,280 level, and finally gave the closing of 33,334. that is minus 1.04%, or you can say minus 350 points. So this was just a simple little idea about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it was today. If we talk about the sector wise, so metal sector today also there was worst performance by them. If you will see, global markets, global commodity market prices were falling. That impact you can see in our metal, Nifty metal also. Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW Steel, they all showed a very like huge percentage fall today. And if you'll see Nifty Realty and Nifty and other sectors, if you'll see Nifty Realty closed with 1% positive, and other sectors they were like less than 1% positive closing they have shown. Now if we will talk about the Asian market, Asian market opened flat and it closed flat, whereas European market, when our Indian market was about to close, it was also in a flat range only. So you can see that in Nifty, in global market, Asian and European markets, there was not a very huge up and down like movement was going on. It was in a range only, and it was closing flat only. Okay, yesterday if we saw that the global market was showing some profit booking, so but today it was like flat only. If we'll see FI and DI data, in FI 76.40 crore buying they have done, and whereas DI have done 876.06 crore selling they have done. Okay, so because of that also this DI huge selling pressure we have seen in the market. It was not very huge, but after 2 p.m. we have seen that good selling pressure. Otherwise for the entire day it was in a range only. Just now, like after all this discussion, I'll just request you to write now tomorrow's time frame what I want to share with you. 9:15 to 10 o'clock it's negative sentiment, then 10 to 12:30 is it's a positive sentiment. Market may cover, will show little bounce. Now 12:30 to 1:30 it's mixed trend, both side movement you can see, and 1:30 to 3:30 you will see negative to mixed trend. Initially after 1:30 it is showing negative sentiment, and by the end of the market closing times it will be around mixed trend only. So this is the time frame what I have shared with you. Now you can write the Nifty and Bank Nifty range in which it may be revolving tomorrow. For Nifty the range will be 14,750 to 15,130, and for Bank Nifty 34,000 to 33,100. Okay, so these are few important points what I have shared with you all. Now few things just I want to share with you which shows the market is not in the stage of bearishness, though we are observing fall in the market, but it is at the same time it is also trying to respect their levels also. Yesterday also it respected the level and it gave a closing of above 15,000 only, and today also it gave respected 14,900 level and it gave closing to above 14,900 only. If the things continue in a better way, we may see the market approaching the 15,100 level tomorrow. Few things are there. 15,100 is a very good resistance for the market. If it crosses the level of 15,000, it will face resistance at the 15,100. Next is last movement, last time whatever selling we have seen that shifted the market towards the bearishness, but it's not that the market is showing a bearishness throughout the like for tomorrow. There we saw bearishness, but it is not going to continue. I am saying it is like not proving now the market is bearish. It was in a range also, and then little selling pressure. It may come back and it can go upward also. You have to be ready for both the scenario. 14,900 level, if it breaks, then it will approach to 14,800 level. But if from 14,900 it go back, then the 15,100 will be the level where it will be facing good resistance. Next is sudden fall in the global commodity has created this fall in the metal stocks, and almost 8% of stocks, 8% fall we have seen in the metal stocks today, but they are at the good support level. From here they can take a bounce and they can go upward also. So you need to follow the technical charts also. I always say in my video, don't take the trades as per the Astro time frame. Astro time frame is just giving you an overview. You need to focus on the technicals also. Technical chart study karo, and then only you take your trades. Next is tomorrow SBI is also going to announce their result. So if unexpected numbers are announced by them, then there are chances the Bank Nifty will be in the positive side, and if Bank Nifty is positive, then there are chances Nifty will also cover the race. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you are interested, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Okay, one more thing I just want to tell you is, if you are interested for premium group in live market, we share trades for options, equity options. If you are interested, you can inquire on our premium WhatsApp number. I'll be writing it in the description box. For equity or equity trades only, if you want, then also you can contact us. Newsletter is there, and if technical course related, if you want to inquire, you can ask on our WhatsApp number Okay, so we will revert you on your query. Thank you so much and have a great trading day tomorrow. Jai Shri Krishna.